For me, physics is one of the neatest things on this planet. That's why me and Rodney started a physics walk, so everyone can know how neat physics is, instead of just me and Rodney knowing it. Hey, Rod. I'm waving.
Physics! This is neat.
Now that right there was a wave. And a wave is a vibration that cannot exist in one place, but must extend from one place to another.
You know what? They created a transverse wave.
Sure did.
Just a wave that occurs when the motion of the medium is at right angles to the direction of travel. Isn't that wonderful?
So, as Jack was running away screaming, that is an example of the Doppler effect. The Doppler effect is an increase in the frequency of sound, light, or other waves as the source and observer move toward or away from each other.
As Jack ran away from the observer, we experienced a decrease in frequency. Wow, would you look at that right there? That is some outstanding physics demonstrated by those young lads.
Absolutely. So as you saw Braden in the blue shirt, that represented a blue shift, because as light approaches, the frequency increases.
And Christian was in a red shirt, and he was moving away, showing that as frequency decreases, light tends to show a red shift, just as many galaxies do, proving that galaxies are moving apart.
Physics!
That's neat. Why ain't I swinging as far as before?
I don't know.
Now in physics, we have this neat thing called a pendulum. Now a pendulum is simply put a weight hung from a fixed point so that it can freely swing back and forth.
Oh, yes it is. And you know what? A pendulum's period is determined by its length. As demonstrated there, when Jack was standing up, the bulk of his weight was higher than when he was sitting down. Thus, when he was standing up, the period was shorter, and when he was sitting down, it was lengthened. How fascinating.
Absolutely.